Hello guys, and I welcome you to this course on how to make a complete YouTube video app. My name is Frazy Stone Boomba, and I am an iOS developer, founder also of Marana Tap company. Okay guys, so in this tutorial, you're going to learn how to build the YouTube video app you've always dreamed of. Maybe you have a business, maybe you have a channel in which you upload a lot of videos, maybe you upload tutorials, maybe you don't want your users to always go to the YouTube app to see whatever content you upload on your channel. So you are at the right place, because in this video I'm gonna show you in about 4 to 5 sections how to get any videos from the YouTube data API, to get any playlist from the YouTube data API, to get any videos of any playlist from the YouTube data API, and to get any channels. And I'm not gonna leave you guys like that. I'm gonna show you guys how to search for any type of video, for any type of channel, and for any type of playlist from within your app in Xcode. And I'm gonna give also you guys good resources on how to always have the good app icon resolution for your app. I'm gonna also give you guys another resources on how to get always good app icon for your app. So I'm not gonna leave you guys like that, because I always want you guys to have the good resources for your app, and I want your best. I want your success. So I really think you're at the right place. So see you in the course, guys, and thank you again for taking this course.